Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to be back with another subscription box break. But before we get into that, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you to everybody who came out and helped me celebrate my 650 subscriber milestone a couple weeks back on Livestream 4.0. We certainly had a great time, a bunch of fun giveaways, a few group breaks. It was an awesome day, and thank you so much to everybody who came out. And thank you all to everyone else who, if you're a subscriber, if you're a viewer, I greatly appreciate all the continued support from the community. Excited about today at RC Explosion Box Volume 24. This is a box from December. I just haven't gotten around to cracking it open yet, so I'm pumped to get into it. Let's do it. This is Tommy's Breaks. Okay. I'm sure many of you have seen this box before. Put out by Wilmington. A very difficult subscription box to I'll be back with this. It is a very highly demanded box for a number of reasons. One of my favorites for sure. This is going to be our literature for today. I think it was right after this month that Phil switched to a more condensed format for this, probably to save paper and time. I certainly understand that. Okay. We have a pile of packs here. Let's get right into it. So this is going to be 91 Fleer, I believe. Harold Baines, Fernando Valenzuela, Danny Ainge. Let's see what we find. Dan, Gary Weiss, Ray Burris, Tug McGraw, Willie McCovey. Here's a nice Carl Yass 400 Home Run Club. Charlie Spikes, fun name. Rick Sutcliffe, Tony Perez, Gary Roenick, John Walkenfuss, Tom Bergmeyer, Don Baylor, Mark Corey, Ross Grimsley, Lee May, Dan Petrie. That was interesting. A lot of fun names in that. Let's jump over to Bowman Draft. Here we go. We got a Severino, Giddies, Josh Hart, Chad Wallach, Chris Ellis, Kyle Freeland, and Gavin LaValle. So none of the big targets there, but that's okay. We got 2015 Topps Chrome, Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Buxton, Gallo, Syndergaard. Pretty sure Clayton Kershaw is not a bad one to get. Brandon Finnegan, Brandon Belt, and Steven Souza Jr. Nice designs from back then. 2015 update. Similar players to the Chrome. We've got Addison Russell, Aaron Thompson, David Price on the Blue Jays. I think we have a gold coming up. Brandon Pinder, Mark. Yeah, it is numbered. Giovanni Soto, Colby Rasmus, Chris Bryant, rookie debut. Michael Blazek, and Joe Ross. We got a cool Bryant. Start things off out here. 2016 Topps Chrome. A bunch of guys in here, potential. Ichiro on the back. Ooh, that's sparkly. Jeremy Hellickson. Matt Wieters. Nomar Mazara, rookie. And Ichiro, 3000 Hits Club. It's kind of cool. All right. 17. Update. Sam Gaviglio, rookie. Jesse Chavez. Jeff Locke. Andy Diaz. Chris Heston. Ben Revere. Some history makers. Bryant. Ronald Torres. Jesse Winkler. And Brad Hay. $19 Bowman. Oh, you like that one for sure. Garcia, likes Jeff McNeil, rookie. Steven Duggar, rookie. Chris Shaw, Kyle Tucker. There's a bunch of rookies in that one. We got some KC Pipeline. Nick Madrigal. Royce Lewis Chrome. Taylor Trammell Chrome. Brandon Marsh. And Joe Adell. That's a good one. All right, let's check out the Heritage High number. See what's happening here. We got Mark Reynolds. Glasnow. Sweetheart. Markakis. Hank Aaron. The Hammer's greatest hits. Nick Anderson. Lance Lynn. Domingo German. And Brian McCann. Alrighty. Topps Chrome it is. Oh no, we're gonna slide Heritage in front of that. And update. So it hasn't been a super exciting box so far, but a nice variety of packs. Carlos Correa. Got some fun chases going on. Will Smith. I think I haven't seen that one yet. Cool card. Konya. James Kevin Kiermaier. Miggy. Tommy LaStella. And batting leaders. Yelich, Marte, and Rendon. Next. 2020 update. See anything fancy in there? Richie Martin, Philip Deal, Scott Barlow, Here's a McGuire. Zach Greinke. Mike Trout. Bryce Wilson. Alex Reyes. Descalso. There's a Joey Bart. That's a cool prospect card. Alec Mills. Ian Miller. Ryan Weber and Starlin Castro. So we are down to our final pack. If you've hung out with me up to this point, I want to say thank you so much. And if you haven't yet already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications and you'll be the first to know when my new videos are published. Thank you for the continued support. I appreciate it very much. Here we go. Looks like we got a base here. We got a Benintendi no longer on the Red Soxy. Ozzie Albies, Matthew Boyd, and Mookie Betts. Okay. That was a pretty fun one here. Some of the cards I pulled aside for a quick recap. We had the Bart Prospects card, Mike Trout, McGuire, Acuna, Will Smith, Hank Aaron, Joe Adell, Jeff McNeil, Acuna again. There was a Bryant, nice Ichiro insert, 3,000 club, 3,000 hit club. This was a numbered gold. So Kershaw, Yaz, and then the Chris Bryant rookie debut was another good one. So that's going to do it for this RC Explosion Box Volume 24. Hit a few cool rookies, another bunch of fun other cards. Certainly always a fun box to break. And I'm looking forward to the next one, which should be coming up real soon. I appreciate all the continued support. Thank you so much. This is Tommy. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.